Today we're gonna bring in a Bluetooth bandana. Now, if you're gonna be jogging or running or taking a hike, or this is a great device. Now, if you have control in front of your head or on the side, anywhere you pretty want to set it up, it has a control. We're gonna open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. Just to let you guys know, it was kind of enough for the vendor to send this out for us to review. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right. So everything that you need to know is all in this box. And I like that they give you a real small box. You don't need a lot of extra space in here. So they give you this bandana, and the material is elastic. It's like a bungee, but it's very soft, really soft material. It's polyester, I believe it is. And of course, they give you the guidance on how to set this up, and instructions are in here included. They give you the actual charging station, which is a Type C charger, and the instructions how to set this up on your phone or your device. And then they give you a little carrying case too, a little pouch case. But it's for actually the material is so it could absorb any kind of sweat and you have. Now, just to let you guys know, you could take this completely apart and take the electronics out of the actual system itself and wash it separating without the electronics. And there's a little area here where you guys can see, everything flowing through there. You could take the devices off and go ahead and then wash it separate without any other damaging any of the wire or the actual controllers. So, and if you guys can notice, there are actually two speakers set up on side to side, so they could go right over your ears. They don't actually go in there. They actually go around your ears or on top of your ears, or if you want to put them directly to your ears, you can do that. Now, a lot of people take advantage of it and put this head bandana to sleep with it and listen to the soothing music or any kind of thing that you can. You can do that as an option. The elastic itself, it's flexible. They give you a little bungee there. If you guys can see that, a lot of room for stretching out your nuggins. We're gonna set it up on our head, see if how well it works. But before we do that, let's go ahead and zip it back up. Go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna remove my glasses, and it's nice and snug. You could have this controller right in front of your head, but it's gonna look awkward. But in a way, it's supposed to go there because the actual speakers are right here on the side. And right now, this thing's a little tight, but in time, you could stretch it out a little bit more. And because I do have a big head too, so like I said, you could cover your ears if you want. If it's cold, a nice little jog in the morning. You want to make sure your speakers line them up to your ears, and they pretty much line up exact where I want them, right here in my ear area. And then you have controllers in here. Of course, you could manage them in here. Now let's take a look at the actual controller itself, right? Here, if you guys can see the music, this is where you actually turn it on and off. And there is some audio. You're gonna hear power on, power off, and then you have your minus and your plus, and then your play in actual pause button here. Now you can answer phone calls on this one, but you have to use your speaker on that part, your microphone from your phone. You can listen to conversation, but you would have to use your hands off. So you can listen to music, and like I said, any calls coming in, but you would still have to use your mic from your phone because there is no microphone on this one. It's only for Bluetooth connection to send music and audio. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys how to actually charge the station, right? So you plug it in, you open it up here, and if you guys notice, there is a station where you actually plug it in. It's always on the side of it, right? It's right there. It's a Type-C connection. You get your charger, you plug it in. This will last you for many hours, so you get long hours of entertainment. First of all, you have to hold down the M button here so you can start going to a pair mode. And you'll see the lights in there, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna find something in there, and it's you're gonna find the actual phone coming in there. So let's go ahead and say scan phone, and you're gonna see something that's called BT something, BT-01. If you guys can see it, hit that one. And you guys can notice it's still pairing, so you hit pair. You do the same thing with an iPhone. It's simple. Once you get it set up, you're all set to go on your phone. You can play your music. If you don't want to play the music, you can do it without the phone and just play some soothing music like nature sounds and stuff like that, and white noise for if you want to relax too. So great devices, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.